Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. We're up by the Selway River. It's a beautiful cloudy day. We had some rain last night, so the air is fresh. It's perfect for doing some nature play. Coach Tars joined me today. We're using a pair of clubs that I made, actually 2 individual clubs. They're both, this is just over 5 pounds, that's just under 5 pounds. Thick grip, and these are both made out of a sycamore. So what we're going to do is, starting from our basic guard position, we're going to cast forward, high, drop down, up high, and back down. So it's a high swipe. So we're going to do just a few on one side, and then do a backhand shift. So the key is bring it up, bend, straighten, and down. Next time through, we make a hand shift, and we'll hand shift every time. One of the keys with this one is to really let the arm swing up and out and back. So now we're going to compare it to a low swipe. And then back to a high swipe. Last one coming up. Return to guard. There you have it. So, this is a good, powerful move. I like doing it with anywhere from a 5 to a 10-pound club near the beginning of my nature play, so that I'm really getting some extension and just feeling the weight as it transfers from low, medium, high, bend the elbow, back up to high. It's a powerful move. So have some fun with it. Remember, you're the guru, so make it your way.